Here is a fast video to show you how to use the new meal planner within the Fit to Last app. So you scroll down on the console and go to Coaching and go to Meal Planner Master and View. And wait till the page finishes loading, and then you'll see a series of boxes with drop-down menus beside, just like that. Now, the reason why I've done this is so you have more autonomy in planning your meals and there won't be a series of different training times. So the first thing you need to do is to decide when exactly you're training. So say, for example, you're training Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in the morning. You click on the post-workout option here, which is in yellow. Scroll down, find the recipe that you want, and then do that throughout the week as you go. Now, I'd highly recommend that you avoid having too much variety in terms of your meals. The reason for this is because it will give you an endless shopping list, and also because it'll make meal prep a lot more complicated. So try and pick your favorites and don't make that much. Make sure you have a fair bit of repetition through the week just to make the process simpler for you. So once you've chosen all of your meals, anytime, post-workout, snacks, etc., you go to the bottom of the sheet and you'll see recipe links. And from here, these are all live links leading to the recipes within the Dropbox menu. So you click on it on a recipe like that, and that will take you through to Dropbox. And from there, you can write down the ingredients you need, and you'll also figure out how to make the item as well, so you can prepare your shopping list and get ready for your batch cook. Let me know if you have any questions. Give this a go, and I hope you get on well. Speak soon.